Taramasalata today. Let's see how it's done. Okay, what you're going to need. Now we've got about 200 grams of delicious Inverawe Smokehouse's cod's roe. We've got 300 mils of the most delicious Demijohn extra virgin olive oil. I've got two types here. There's the Monterosa estate, which comes from Portugal, and we have a second oil, Cabade's estate, coming from Corfu. Now, today we've decided to use the Monterosa. This is a beautiful extra virgin olive oil. You're going to need half a lemon. You're going to need a couple of cloves of garlic, some fresh parsley, and a bit of luck to get this sorted. Now, the first thing we've had to do, a bit like a blue pita show, is prepare the cod's roe. We've had to soak this in cold water for about 2 hours, and that just cleans it and takes away some of the salty taste. After you take it out of the cold water, give it a good wash. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to carefully peel off the skin, make sure all the skin is off it, and then we're going to mash it in a bowl with a fork. Having soaked in that cold water, it just makes it a little bit easier. It's a good idea to be near a sink or have some sort of paper towels or something, because this is going to be a messy business. Now the skin's off, we're going to mash it up with a fork in a bowl. Hopefully you can see that there. Take a lemon. And I'd just like to say thank you to my mother who let me have these lemons. And once we're happy, we'll be ready for the olive oil. Now the Monterosa estate in Portugal is Eastern Olive. This is a beautiful olive oil which you could dress salads with, but used in this Taramasalata, fantastic. And we need 300 millilitres, which seems to be an awful lot, but trust me on this, it's just what you need. I love fresh olive oil that you can smell, like fresh olives, cut grass. Takes us back to the olive groves. Okay, now here's the tricky bit, if there is a tricky bit with this. You've got to drizzle the olive oil in while whisking. Now this can be done by hand. The old-fashioned fork can work very well with this. And I'm actually going to start the process using that, but you can also use a hand blender, which would make things a little bit easier. Once you get to the end of mixing in your olive oil, we're going to be adding some chopped clove of garlic and some chopped parsley. If you can see this now, it's absolutely beautiful. It's coming together perfectly. You can see why they invented hand blenders. And that is the final amounts of olive oil into my mix here. Okay, the olive oil is now all in. We've whisked it up. What we need to do is chop a clove of garlic and chop a little bit of fresh parsley. Let's see how we're doing with our Taramasalata. So I've been mixing away for a bit, and this is what we've got. The most delicious Taramasalata paste. Now, this is the moment to get your fresh herbs in there. A little bit of that parsley and the garlic. Just stick that in there, and then give it a good mix round. That's now ready. So let's put it in a dish and let's try it on some of France's delicious homemade rye bread. I hope you have a good fun time making some of your own Taramasalata at home. Remember, Inverawe Smokehouse's smoked cod's roe, Demijohn, extra virgin olive oil, and we use the Monterosa estate for this one. Delicious. Little glass of wine there, all we need. Thank you for watching. See you next time.